ॐ गणनां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पतान् शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः। वेदवेदान्तवेदाङ्ग विद्यास्थानेभ्यैव च ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये यो गुरुः स शिवः प्रोक्तः यः शिवः स गुरुस्मृतः विकल्पं यस्तु कुर्वीत स नरो गुरुतल्पगः। Any power if that is not held properly, we don't know the rules of that, then the same power can be very dangerous also. Bigger power you are holding, and if you are not very clear about how to manage that power, then that power can convert the holder to a mere slave, or it can take us to a lower yonis also. If you are having a bicycle and something goes wrong in the bicycle, supposing some valve has come out or some screw is, at the most you will fall down, you will have some bruises. If you are in a car and brake fails or something, then it will be quite a dangerous accident, because it's a bigger power that you are holding. But if you are in a plane and the pilot and there is something wrong, then you will not get some bruises, but it can be like the US plane crash happened. 60 people died. So it can be extremely fatal. Bigger than that power of the plane is the power of mind that I have. Because I don't know how to handle it, takes us to various births. And if I had known, it can take me to God. Manev manushyaranam karanam bandhamoksha. So there is one power called Dhan Shakti. Yesterday we talked about Dhan Shakti also. Yaad aa raha hai? So Dhan Shakti, we have talked about that. So I think everything around us, whether it is Patni, Pati, Putra, house, all are the name of various powers that you are surrounded by. And if you don't know how to handle it, then the same thing can consume my mind. and if I know how to handle it, when I say handle it, it means what? Huh? How to be detached at the same time surrender that power. When you know, when you say I can't handle this person, simple meaning is you cannot be detached from that person. When you say I can handle, that means it's not a physical handling, it is emotional independence. That is called handling something. At the same time, creating a situation to get a better output from that. Bharatji could handle the power because he surrendered and he was detached. But Kekai could not handle the power. Dasharathji could not handle Kekai. But Bharatji could handle Kekai. Ramji could handle kingdom. So there is some power called the Dhan Shakti we were talking about. And this is from Jagat Drishti. Remember Jagat Drishti was there. Then Ishwar Drishti or Dharm Drishti was there. Then Atma Santosh Drishti was there. Then Atma Drishti was there. So we are not talking from that. We are talking from Jagat Drishti. How people see that money. So if anything is not properly known well, and you don't know that how to surrender an issue, or how to surrender a success, or how to surrender a failure, then that is called that thing will play upon and it will create a havoc in the mind. That person, that action, that place, that bhog took a toll in our life because I could not give up that thought to God. I could not give up that issue to God. I could not give that action to God. I could not give up that relation to God. I could not be detached and devoted. You don't need an art. It is not I'm talking about art or some kind of a skill. It is not an skill and art I'm talking about. It is internal skill and internal art rather, not something external. So here we had seen 42 verses, 42nd verse rather. Point is that from Jagat Drishti, we should grow and evolve to Ishwar Drishti also. And Ishwar Drishti is the seeing the object as of the Ishwar, seeing the relative as of the Ishwar, seeing the body as of the Ishwar. Where you bring in samashti to define Vishti. When you don't bring samashti to define Vishti, then Vishti is powerless. Vyakti loses the power. As if I have cut my individual house power with the total powerhouse. Take and there our and what could have been handled by Samashti, you have stopped or you have created a bar, an obstacle for that issue or for that person or for that action to be handled by the God or Samashti or the cosmos. You have blocked the flow of the God on that particular issue or action or person or event. the flow of GG, grace of God, is blocked because of my unsurrendered nature. And that will now become difficult for you to carry. You cannot manage it. You cannot handle it. You cannot be at ease with it. Because between you and that God has absent, it's a shockerless relation. And this money also is mentioned in the same manner in 43rd verse. है ना? ठीक है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है? So that is what is mentioned here. नहीं तो फिर क्या करते हैं जरा देखते हैं. Let us chant. दानं भोगो नाशस्तिस्रः गतयो भवन्ति वित्तस्य यो न ददाति न भुङ्क्ते तस्य तृतीया गतिर्भवति. So, if somebody has money, substantial money, so he has said that here there are three options. Either he donates, either he enjoys. If neither he does, he puts, or it will be nashaha. Long back, somebody had lot of money, notes. Bank was not there, so they used to dig and put under the earth all the money and went away for some tirthyartha somewhere. But when he came, he went to see that money. It rained a lot and all the notes got melted. They merged in the earth. नाश हो गया. न दान दिया न भोग दिया. वो सब मनी खोजते रह गए, कुछ मिला नहीं, बस पानी पानी मिला उनको, सब घुल मिल गया. So, देखो, दान is a very important aspect. There are 3-4 areas where, therefore, दान is one of the charan of dharma, if you remember. Remember that. So, with the दान only, brahmacharya ashram, vanaprastha and sannyas are sustained. It is the charitable people who do charity, they sustain the ashram where Gurukul system is there. Guru is not earning in some professional manner, and disciples are not earning. And therefore you will be surprised that in Taittiriya Upanishad, in the first Yashome Jane Sani Avanti mantras are there, in the first Valli. And there they says that may I have lot of wealth. And there Shankaracharya raises a question that when it is a topic of Brahma Vidya, then why this topic of earning wealth is coming in between? And the answer is given that this is dharmartham. And dharma is mokshartham. So it is for moksha only. So brahmacharya ashram is, supposing we were not given sannyas ashram and vanaprastha ashram. So brahmacharya ashram is a dhyan pradhan. Means grahasth has made the brahmachari and the guru free from earning. He said, I will take care of the money. Grahasth has made the vanaprasthi free. You do tapasya. And grahasth has made the sannyasi free, that you can do your meditation for tyag. So tyag, tapasya and adhyan and seva, these three things are based on dan only. If supposing this dan was not there, then all our ashram vyavastha would have collapsed. I mean, giving dan for pet and giving dan for something external is also one kind of dan. But giving dan for tapasya to subtle thoughts to sustaining the thought, that was something which is rare in other religions also. No other religion has these four ashram. All our ashrams are sustained on dan only. Whether getting the land is concerned, whether building is concerned, whether running is concerned. Imagine that. And if these ashrams were not there, where the swamis and brahmacharis would have lived, where classes would be held, where camps would be held, where Bal Vihar will come, where would study groups and the books will be kept. And many people, what is it called? This they sponsor for brahmacharis. क्या नाम उसका धर्मवीर क्या है? ऋषि पुत्र स्कीम ऐसा कुछ है, ऋषि पुत्र है. हाँ? So they sponsor for brahmacharis. When we went for brahmachari, I never had to pay anything. I didn't have any money. तो बहुत बड़ा काम दान ने वृत्ति को सस्टेन करने में दान किया. And because this system was not in US and Europe, and therefore these Gurukul Parampara never developed in these countries. Their dhan was for something gross. Maybe for some feeding or something like that. Dhan was there. But dhan for vritti and dhan for vastu, both are different. Dhan is there. So higher vritti, to sustain it, you need a kind of system. In Gita Press, I don't know now, but 50, 60 years back, those who were translating the books, they were not given any stipend on any salary. Because it was hand to mouth. So when Akhandanandji was working there as Shantanu, he was not getting any salary. So when his daughter was to be married, Kamla, so Hanuman Prasad ji went to the house of that boy and asked for the hand, and he said, Gita Press will support that because there is no money anybody has. ऐसे लोग थे. देखो, बोले I will give you the place to stay and I will give you the food, but there is no money to give you extra something. And अब ऐसा नहीं होगा शायद. That must be initial stages. So dhan is required to sustain a higher vritti. And therefore Gita has said that datavyamiti yad dhanam diyate anupakarine. One should give because I have got a lot. Second thing where dhan helps is to sustain the faith. All temples which are built are only by dhan. Either it may be one individual may give. You call Birla temple, you call Tata temple. Tata का तो temple नहीं है, JK temple है. And if supposing you go to Rameshwaram etc., their kings were building this. That was also money from the dhan. That temple took some time to 200 years. 1,000 pillars are there in Rameshwaram. So big things are done by that dhan. Second thing where dhan helps. And third thing where dhan helps is somebody is underprivileged. Somebody is not that fortunate. So those who are fortunate, they have more responsibility to those who are not that fortunate. So they can share their fortune. And therefore the society will become balanced. Otherwise, you cannot be happy unless you make somebody happy who is unhappy. You are not thinking as an individual, you have to think as a total. That one part of the body is weak, other part is very strong, so that weak part of the body will affect the other part. So that is also a part of Virat, which are the underprivileged. So you can do donation for the poor or for the needy or for the dogs or whatever is there. So this is the importance of dan. So one is vritti pradhan, that is vastu pradhan, or there is shraddha pradhan. Vritti pradhan dan is in ashram vyavastha. Shraddha pradhan dan is in temple building. And vastu pradhan dan is in less fortunate people. You are making them fortunate. So all level dan is required. Not that only one level dan is required. ठीक है? जैसे how what will happen by building the temple. When Ram Mandir was built, they said we should have built hospital. Foolish people. As if they would have built hospital. They cannot say this to a mosque. Only temple they can say. किसी मॉस्क के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे कि why are building the mosque, build one, क्योंकि हम लोग तो कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं. We are doormat. They don't know that the faith body is more important than the external body. You are seeing my external body, but there is a faith body which is much closer to me than the external body. And when faith body is sustained and nourished, then only I will be a happy person. The community definitely needs hospital, but more than hospital, it needs temple and ashrams also, which will inspire more hospitals. तो दान के ये 3-4 विभाग हो गए. एंड हैप्पी सोसाइटीज वेयर वस्तु दान, दान फॉर सस्टेनिंग वृत्ति, दान फॉर सस्टेनिंग फेथ, all should be there. And then only there will be a balance somewhere in the social structure. Otherwise, society will be fragmented and broken away. It will not be a happy society because faith is not stronger on the God. An example is China. In China, there is lot of other things may be there. They may be given dan for object or institutions. But for getting temple, I don't know what is the status. I don't think so there are sufficient temples. Churches भी नहीं होगा. और Russia, this communist country, वो नहीं होगा. So how can you sustain your faith? So we need, and temple are the big revenue now, if you see in that manner. As much temple are bringing in, most of the temple have been taken by the government, in South India especially. So they are earning lot of money through the temple now. Lot of money. Much more than what they had invested. Anyway, that will be a digression. So दानम, इसीलिए दान की बड़ी महिमा है हमारे यहाँ. I'm sitting here because my clothes, my food, my traveling expenses, my medication, ashram where I live, all is sustained by dan. Otherwise, I won't be sitting. If I had to earn, I won't be sitting and earning. If Shankaracharya could do that because he had the support of kings, etc., who took his care at that time. If Gurudev could do such a work because there was a big battery of people behind him who converted his vision into action through charity. क्या है, कुछ है क्या? So this is दानम. दान इज वन गति. इतना इंपॉर्टेंस है दान का, देखो. ये तो सब टूट जाता. सेकेंड गति ऑफ द मनी इज भोग. भोग मीन्स शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध इन इट्स एक्सॉल्टेड स्टेट. You can get a better song, a better speaker, something. You can get a better touch of mattress. You can get better form, better house whose interiors are there, what you say, aesthetics. You can get a better food rus. You can have nice fragrance are there. If you go to rich person's house, big vase is there, flower vase is there. In that they put some flowers is there. Fragrant flowers are there. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Create, huh? Huh? Something is there that brings the fragrance. So शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध. You get something more. Bhog is there. I'm enjoying. You go out at some place for picnic. There's a roop only you see. You see beautiful form, beautiful mountains. You go to Cape Town. Cape Town is roop only. Nice mountains are there. Nice water is there. Nice farms are there. You are enjoying the farm. Of the farm. भोग, आँख का भी भोग हो रहा है. ईस्ट फीस्ट हो गया. You can get a nice spread. Or you can get a nice touch. Or you can get a nice fragrance. But all will take away money. So this is the second. Therefore people say, we are going out. For a cruise you went. So cruise has nice ocean is there. Cruise पे तो गए होंगे? नहीं गए. हम तो बस बाताम और ये सब गए थे. ना हमारी इच्छा है जाने की. कितना देखो समुद्र. How much ocean you will see all around. हाँ मतलब बोर हो जाते हैं after some time. इतना ओशन होता है. कितना देखो ओशन. कहाँ बैठो, कहाँ भागो. तो अच्छे क्रूज आ गए हैं, लेकिन people told me that it's boring after few days. Anyway, you can continue, still you can go. क्या क्या होता है, तरह तरह का भोग होता है. एक पैराग्लाइडिंग होता है. फ्रॉम द एयर ऑन द हेलीकॉप्टर और फ्रॉम द प्लेन दे ग्लाइड. स्काई डाइविंग नहीं, नॉट स्काई डाइविंग. पैराशूट के साथ उतरते हैं. पैराग्लाइडिंग आई थी. पैराग्लाइडिंग, स्काई डाइविंग अलग है, बंजी जंपिंग अलग है, फालतू चीज़ें. और अंडर द ओशन, रस्सी टूट जाती है कभी कभी. A lot of accidents also have happened. They went under the ocean. क्या बोलते हैं? हैं? No, not snorkeling. Scuba diving. अरे शांत वाले मेडिटेट. अरे मेडिटेशन पूरा दुनिया पड़ी है. कोई शंकराचार्य अंदर चल गया क्या मेडिटेशन करने के लिए? अरे बड़ा शांत है समुद्र के अंदर. अरे ऊपर देखो कितना शांत. अंदर देखो कोई संत है जो अंदर डूब के जा मेडिटेशन करता है. एक से एक. पैसा है इसलिए जा सकते हैं. शादी भी होती है अंदर, उसके नीचे शादी भी होती है. पता नहीं अग्नि कैसे जलेगी. मतलब कमी नहीं बेवकूफों की. मतलब इतने बुद्धिमान बेवकूफ हैं. भाई पैसा है, कुछ भी उड़ाओ कहीं भी, यू कैन जस्ट, क्या बोलते हैं, पैसा फेंको तमाशा देखो। विद द दान यू कैन अर्न लॉट ऑफ पुण्य। भोग के साथ एक जरूर अर्निंग जरूर होती है। बताओ क्या? हाँ, क्या? नहीं, भोग के साथ अर्निंग क्या है, फायदा क्या हुआ? वैराग्य हुआ। नॉट फॉर एवरीबडी। 90% पीपल आर मैड, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दे आर भोगी। आफ्टर भोग यू अंडरस्टैंड इट वॉज वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम। इतना ही पैसा हम दान में दे देते तो शायद पुण्य बढ़ जाता हमारा। और सुखता क्रियते रामा भोग भोगा पश्चात हंत शरीरे रोगा। रोग भी हो जाएगा ज्यादा खा पी लोगे तो। ज्यादा अगर खा रहे हो गुट पटांग चीज तो फिर पता चलेगा। फिर भगवान ने ऐसा कुछ बनाया कि जो पेट को ठीक रखने वाले सामान है वो सब बहुत सिंपली रखो, नहीं तो बीमारी आएगी आपके पास। ये भोग का एक फल आ जाएगा कि तुमको कुछ मिला नहीं, हमने इतना वेस्ट किया। लाइक क्या जाती है वेस्टेड 1000 ईयर्स। ऐसा कुछ था है नहीं इसमें। ये सेकंड चलो भोग भी मान लेते हैं, चलो अच्छा, लेकिन somebody didn't do दान, didn't भोग, पता नहीं उसने क्या किया। लिखा है थर्ड गति ऑफ द मनी इज नाश। पता नहीं बैंक में रखा था। अच्छा, इफ यू आर गिविंग टू चिल्ड्रन एंड ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन देयर इज नो फ्रूट, हाँ, फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन। बच्चों को देने पर कोई फल नहीं हो, ना दान में आता है ना भोग में आता है। जो आपने बच्चों के लिए घर बनवा दिया और कई लाख रख दिया, इसका कोई फल वल लिखा नहीं शास्त्र में। नॉट गुड न्यूज फॉर द गृहस्थ। बच्चों के लिए काम करते हैं इन लोग, तो बच्चों के लिए पैसा रखते हैं। दे कीप मनी फॉर चिल्ड्रन एंड ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन, बहू बेटी के लिए। उसका कुछ खास फल है नहीं। आपकी ममता भले सेटिस्फाई हो जाए थोड़ी सी, लेकिन उससे कुछ भी पुण्य होने वाला नहीं है। क्योंकि बच्चों को बड़ा कर दिया, इतना आपने अब जरा से दान पुण्य करिए। जो दानम भोगम, ये थर्ड गति हमारे ख्याल से इसी को नाश बोल दिया है क्या भर्तृहरि ने। दानम भोगो नाशः, बोले नाश हो गया। तुमने ना उस धन का भोग किया ना दानी किया, तो जो बैंक में रखा है सब नाशी हो गया, नाश के बराबर है सारा। बोले ऐसा मत बोलिए। तो क्या बोले? तुमने बैंक में रखा फॉर सम रेनी डे, पता नहीं क्या हो कहीं पे, अब वो तो वहीं रह गया पैसा। मान लो 1 करोड़ रख दिया आपने बैंक में, 1 करोड़ से कम क्या सोचा जाए। अब आपने कुछ किया नहीं उसका, वो रखा रहा। अब वो आप मर भी ला गए या मर गए। अब आफ्टर दैट मनी यू हैव मिस्ड द अपॉर्चुनिटी आइदर फॉर डिस्पैशन और आइदर फॉर accumulating goodwill and punya. यो न ददाति न भुंक्ते तस्य तृतीया गतिर्भवति. One who doesn't donate, neither he enjoys. He is having only nash, because कुछ फायदा ही नहीं हुआ। इतनी मेहनत से पैसा कमाया, कुछ फायदा ही नहीं हुआ। बोले बट माई चिल्ड्रन विल बी ओके। चिल्ड्रन कुछ पारलौकिक फायदा होना चाहिए। बच्चे पता नहीं उस पैसे को खत्म कर देंगे। तो लगता है कि काफी पैसा है, मोमेंट यू इन्वेस्ट यू फील इट इज ए स्मॉल अमाउंट। एट फर्स्ट ग्लांस यू से वाओ इतना पैसा, सेकेंड में यू फील इतना ही। Therefore he is glorifying the dhan in the few verses from now. Okay, so let us see what is the next 44th verse. मणिशालो लीढ समर विजयी हेति दलितः मदक्षिणो नाग शरदी सरित श्यान पुलिनाः। कलाशेषश्चंद्र सुरत मृदिता बालवनिता तन तन्निम्ना शोभन्ते गलित विभवाः चार्थिषु नराः. Some things, good look good only when they are exhausted. This is example. Key example. So he has given example that a gem is there. After it has been rubbed and after rubbing, then only it looks good. Mani shano leader. इन लोग की वोकेबलरी कितनी अच्छी. उसको घिस के एकदम पतला हो गया, then it looks good. Samar Vijay, somebody is in army, he has been wounded badly, he looks good. At least he has, while fighting, he has exhausted and he got very wounded. If you see the photograph of some wounded soldier, you feel very sorry also and glorified also. That's it. देखो उसने जान इतना कष्ट पाया उसने. मदक्षिणो नागा, एलिफेंट एट द एंड ऑफ द रट. एक रट का सीजन होता है, उसमें एलिफेंट थक जाता है, तो वो भी अच्छा लगता है. हम एग्जाम्पल देते हैं, दिन भर इतना साधना करो कि रात में बहुत थक गए, इतना पाठ किया, आँख एकदम पाठ करते करते आँख दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा है, तो अच्छा लग रहा है कि आँख का ना दिखना अच्छा लगता है उससे. ये इतना बैठे जब के लिए कि पीठ दर्द कर रही है तो अच्छा लगता है. So some things when it gets exhausted it looks good. I know what point he will be driving. Sharadi Saritah Shan Pulina. The river is there. Depreciated water is in the autumn. उसका autumn में water कम हो गया है, वो भी अच्छा लगता है कि चलो. Then कला शेषश चंद्रः, एक कला रह गई चंद्रमा. कैसे बस चंद्रमा दिख रहा है, पूर्णिमा से एक छोटा सा चंद्रमा दिख रहा है. द्वितीया का चांद तो शिव जी के पास, बोले थोड़ा सा ऐसा दिखता है हल्का सा. मैं बोला वो देखो चंद्रमा. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज ऑल्सो फनी. सुरत मृदता बाल वनिता. Some men and women were there. They embraced each other and got exhausted. That girl got exhausted. वो अच्छी लगती है उससे. ये देखो ये बता रही है, वर्धरू आ रही है भाई, ये राजा ही रह चुके हैं. सुरत मृदता बाल वनिता. वो थक गई बेचारी. So, Tanimna Shobhante Galit Vibhava. Similarly, somebody's money got exhausted. Because of charity, he gives everything. Then that money also appears good and that person also appears good. Sasi Sampann So Mahi Kaisi Upkari Ki Sampati Jaisi. Kishkinda Kand, Ramji says, in the rainy season, whole field is full of crops. सरसों हो गया चारों तरफ, यू सी क्या लहरा रहा है पूरा खेत. Similarly, he says उपकारी के संपत्ति जैसी. Like a magnanimous person's prosperity looks good to everybody. बोले इसके पास से we can get something from him. गलित विभाग. But somebody had no money. Somebody was telling, किसी संत से किसी ने कहा संत ने कहा कि खा के खिलाने में बहुत मजा है, खिलाने के बाद खाने में ज्यादा आनंद. It is so much of joy if you eat after feeding. That person said, there is more joy if you are hungry after because there is no food left. सबको खिला के भूखे रहने में और मजा है. So, गलित विभवाहा, he has exhausted everything. खत्म ही हो गया सब पैसा इतना इन्होंने दान. Like Bali was there. सब खत्म हो गया पैसा. गलित विभवाहा. I was telling that day about Sri Harsh. When he came to Prayagraj, he donated everything, whatever he had. King Harsh, हर्षवर्धन, सब दान दे दिया. जितना कुछ था सब दान दे दिया. प्रयागराज में बताते हैं संगम किनारे दान की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, तो सब दान दे दिया. तन निम्ना शोभन्ते. Some people give up their houses to the organization. Some people give up their, sometimes they say we cannot have, but gold is there. I don't have money, but I have gold. फिर मुथुस के पास जाना पड़ेगा ना. वैसे ही काम करते ना, गोल्ड को मनी में कन्वर्ट कर देते. हाँ, फाइनेंशियल है तो उतना जो भी कॉस्ट होगा उस समय का गोल्ड का, दे विल गिव इक्विवेलेंट मनी टू यू. आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ होगा. दे डोंट कीप द गोल्ड इन द लॉकर, इन्वेस्ट इट. उनका ये प्रिंसिपल है. यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मनी इफ यू आर कीपिंग द गोल्ड लाइक दैट, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गोइंग इन कैपिटल, इन क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ, इंटरेस्ट. भाई आपने लॉकर में रखा गोल्ड 2-3 kg, और उसका कुछ कॉस्ट रहा, गोल्ड का कॉस्ट मिलेगा. बट इफ़ यू कन्वर्ट इनटू मनी इट विल ग्रो इन कैपिटल. ऐसा उन लोग का ना, हमें कोई जानकारी नहीं है. आई एम टोटली इलिटरेट इन दिस डायरेक्शन, बट आई हियर एवरीथिंग एंड मेक आउट 2 + 2 = 4, समथिंग लाइक दैट. मुथु से बात करना पड़ेगा. या बिजनेस बात कर सकते हैं. क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. लेकिन पहले के लोगों को गोल्ड से अटैचमेंट था, वो नेकलेस से अटैचमेंट होता था कि उनसे मिला है, उनसे मिला है. इट हैज़ मोर ऑफ इमोशनल वैल्यू रादर देन फाइनेंशियल वैल्यू. ऐसा था उनका शायद. One boy got broken away with the girl. So girl gave all the money, all the letters, but kept the jewelry's ornament for sentimental reasons. Letters से वापस कर दिया, गोल्ड तो नहीं किया. तन्निम्ना शोभन्ते गलित विभवाः चार्थीषु नराः. खत्म करें, वैसा क्या है. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. तो आई होप दिस विल इंस्पायर समबडी. दिस मे इंस्पायर. वो शक्ति है. हमने बोला ना, यू कांट हैंडल इट, बेटर टू गिव इट बैक टू गॉड इन सम मैनर. शक्ति कैन बी हैंडल्ड बाय गॉड. सबसे बड़ा जो दान का एक वो है, वो यश बहुत देता है दान. One of the biggest source of दान is यश. Of यश is दान. पुण्य बढ़ाएगा अगले लोक में. But in this birth, you will get lot of faith that this person has donated so much. Even if plaque is not there, he has got something now. And it makes the person earn goodwill also. Anybody who has been yashasvi, it may not be money dan, it can be vidya dan, it can be something he has given in a bigger manner. Chalo, next shlok. Let us see. Shlok number 45. 45. परीक्षीण कश्चित् स्पृहयति यवानां प्रसृतये स पश्चात् सम्पूर्णः कलयति धरित्रीं तृणसमाम् अतः च अनैकान्त्यान् गुरुलघुतया अर्थेषु धनीनाम् अवस्थावस्तुनि प्रथयति च संकोचयति च. This 45th slok is saying that what is big and small depends upon our abhyas and understanding. It's your practice and your understanding. If you are living in a small room, little bigger room appears very big. बहुत बड़ा कमरा है. And if you live in a bigger room and little small is there, you see the small कमरा है. If you are habituated to live in a room which has attached bathroom, it's difficult to live with detached bathroom. But earlier days in the houses, only bathroom was detached. 8, 9 people were there and one bathroom was there in the houses. And everybody was happy. We never missed it. Not that you have to really go out and see somebody is already in the bathroom. So you have to wait. Wait करना. Rather morning में it was fixed कि who will go at what time. फर्स्ट कौन जाएगा, सेकंड कौन बात कर लेगा. वो सब अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि हम लोग की हैबिट वैसी थी. बट इफ दैट हैबिट इज नॉट देयर, नाउ द सेम थिंग यू हैव टू लिव, इट विल बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो you can make your mindset, you can create, what I say, you can always create a demand in your mind for something by right supply. So what demand you create in your mind is in your hand. And what demand you can erase from your mind is also in your hand. You can erase that demand by not giving the supply of that. वो demand ही चली गई. Please note, not only by not taking, but also intellectually not supporting. By not supporting intellectually and by not having the practice physically, you can regulate and erase that kind of, any kind of demand which you don't want. I should have that. कोई चीज छोटी लगे बड़ी लगे आप बना सकते हैं अपने आप. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको बड़ी लगेगी छोटी लगेगी. ये उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिया. He says, Parikshina, any poor person was there. Kaschit, he had nothing. So, Yavanam prasritaye, somebody gave him this much handful of barley or wheat. He felt it is too much. इतना कैसे करेंगे? उतना ही काफी हो गया. But he became a very rich person one day. स पश्चात संपूर्ण कलयति धरित्रीम तृण समाम. Whole earth appears like a straw now because he has already a lot. बोले तो इतना और इतने से क्या होगा हमारा. In the childhood, if you get 50 rupees and 100 rupees in Dashera Diwali, that was a big amount. बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट था वो. पहली बार I went to some talk in घर घर में गीता. I was still a student, but I went in Bombay, in Andheri. And still I remember they gave Dakshina at the end. And Dakshina was 800 rupees or 785, 800 rupees. दक्षिणा हम ले आए. इतनी खुशी हुई दक्षिणा पाके. फिर हम गए भाई आचार्य जी के पास. हमने कहा देखिए दक्षिणा मिली हमको. इतनी दक्षिणा मिल गई आज, दे दिया, हमने कहा आप रखिए इसको, पहले दक्षिणा आपकी है। उसमें लगा कि 800 रुपये मिल गए। अब कोई बात ही छोड़ो, अब की बात। सब पश्चात संपूर्णम कलयति धरित्री। कुछ खर्चा भी नहीं था उस समय तो, ये भी तक कुछ खर्चा नहीं है। यहाँ तो इतने ज्यादा खर्चे रहते हैं चारों तरफ। सब पश्चात, कभी ये टिकट का है, कभी वो टिकट का है, कभी वह प्रीस जा रहा है, कभी नहीं जा रहा है, कभी यहाँ है, कभी वहाँ है। मंथली धरित्रीम तृण समा अतः च अनैकांत्यात् गुरु लघुतया अर्थेषु धनिनाम। He said, in the topic of money, some money can become small, some money can become big. If you are a rich person, same thing can become very small, same thing can become very big at times. So dhan cannot be said. You know, somebody therefore he donates. Well, he donated 5 lakhs. Now, when the fruit of action will be given, so lot of things, not because he donated 5 lakh, therefore he will be considered as a very good donor. Point is how much he has, how much he spends on himself, how the money has come, what was the bhav when he gave the money. So 5 lakh may not be getting a very significant fruit. And supposing somebody is there, he earns 100 rupees and it was Guru Dakshina day, and out of 100 he gave 50 or 70. So that 70 and 50, the fruit of that is more than 5 lakhs sometimes, because he has nothing after that. Actually, Guru Dakshina is not the amount of Guru Dakshina which is there. People generally see इतनी Guru Dakshina आ गई, वो पता नहीं किसने कितने भाव से दिया होगा, उतना वो पैसा फल जाएगा. फलना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रादर देन पाना. तो वो छोटा पैसा भी बड़ा हो जाएगा, कभी कभी बड़ा भी छोटा हो जाता है. This is said here. I hope this point is clear. So, नहीं clear है? Before I was giving the example of that king, I gave here only I gave that. So वो ऐसा होता है चक्कर, वो माउंट का नहीं है, वो कहाँ से आया है वो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि वो उसकी क्या है, किस स्तर का मनी है. Sometimes therefore if you get somebody gives and you keep it somewhere safe, it may be a small amount but you keep it safe so that this money is the prasad roop money, or the temple has given some coin, so you keep it somewhere so that it can multiply in one way or the other. So that is very. Chuda was this much of Sudama, but Rukmaniji did not allow the second time to it. First, because the bhav was very big, and because the attitude and tapasya and love and suffering was a lot behind that small morsel, वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया. So that had made given a very big fruit to Sudama. तो वही छोटा सा चूड़ा इतना बड़ा हो गया. और दुर्योधन का that big what he was giving Duryodhan, that Bhagwan did not accept anything. So how the money has come? What are your total capital? Out of which how much you are spending? How much kast is behind that? How much tyag is there? That will decide what is the fruit of that money. So he is giving a direction to the dhani naam, those who are very rich. Rich they are having, that this much of money is there. Why? I told about Gurudev. Once I wanted a book to be printed, and I asked Gurudev only. Up, Gurudev issued a check from Siddhbani, and that money was 3,000 rupees at that time. But that 3,000 was like crores because it was coming from his sankalp actually. So Gurudev was very magnanimous. If somebody asked, he used to give. Like Vivekanand, we saw Badrinath was being renovated, there he gave. Anybody used to just give that money. वो बहुत important होता है. It is said Vallabhacharya was doing puja of the god in Srinath or somewhere. And one very rich person came. And he had Asharfi or the golden coin. 1,000 Asharfis were there. And he was offering it to God. So Vallabhacharya came back and he said, sorry, I think you have brought the golden coins. He said, yes. He said, God is saying I won't take it because you are making so much of sound that everybody is already enjoyed that. वो झूठा हो गया. So people have already seen it and they say, wow, वो already बहुत उनको भोग लिया. So this money will not be taken by the God. ऐसा भी हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं कि भगवान हम some people don't have right person to give, right place to give the money. ये भी हमने सुना है. They have the money, but they said didn't have proper. Nobody told about the right place. तो छोटा सा भी काम बड़ा हो जाता है, बड़ा काम छोटा हो जाता है. छोटा सा भी पैसा बड़ा हो जाता है. छोटा सा भी उपकार इतना बड़ा हो गया. इतने शबरी के बैर इतने बड़े हो गए. जो बैर थे शबरी के, बेर थे, बेर जो शबरी, बेरी ऑफ शबरी, इट बिकेम सो बिग फ्रूट दे दिए. तो धनी नाम के लिए बोला उन्होंने. He told about धनी नाम, that for you something is small and big depending on other reason. So next श्लोक is there that we will see. इसलिए भाव शुद्धि से कर्म शुद्धि बहुत हो जाती है और फल बढ़ा जाता है भाव शुद्धि. शुद्ध भाव से कर्म. तो so somebody said, I also respect my parents. I said, but the scripture says they don't respect. Matr devo bhav. Please see them as a God. अब respect करना अलग है. They are big. They have done a lot. This is respecting. But to see, have ईश्वर भाव and then doing is different. क्योंकि भाव बड़ा हो गया तो फल बड़ा हो जाएगा. If the attitude is very big, the fruit will be very big now. If attitude is small, if bhav is new, so karma may be more, but it won't give big fruit. Because the maximum area which the fruit sees is what was your intention, what was your bhav, how big you think about somebody in that, and that will be decided. That will decide my future and the present joy. खाना खिलाना एक है, लेकिन आदमी मान के खिलाना, भगवान मान के खिलाना, संत मान के खिलाना, that will create a different fruit. सबका अंतर आ जाएगा fruit का. So here he is saying to the rich people that you may think that you have big money, but the bhav is very important, and also that big is small in from some angle, and small can be big from some angle. So don't think that I am giving very big because it is very small compared to something. We will see more tomorrow. आज दान पे सारी बात होगी. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.